Hi everyone, in this episode I'll be showing you the ways to make Telegram account without phone number. So in order to make a Telegram without a phone number, it's quite not possible. But if you don't want to use your own phone number, what you can do is the alternative method is that you can use a virtual phone number. So then to begin with, first thing first, check your internet connection and then log in into your Telegram and then open up a browser. So in order to get a virtual phone number, you could use the help of a web browser, and on the web address bar type in free virtual phone number. And here you'll be able to find a list of applications which actually provides you with a virtual phone number. So during the creation process, you can use the virtual phone number and you can also get an OTP, and that's basically how you can log in or make Telegram account without a phone number. If you're unable to find the virtual phone number on the following website, you can also use the TextNow app, which is actually a reliable source that helps you get a virtual phone number. Along with it, you can also get a code or verification code. So in this way you can make Telegram account without number. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.